Everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today I'm going to walk you through how to set swipe right to left behavior for your Discord app. Let's say you want to change it from, let's say you've changed it before because automatically it's set to reply to message. But let's say, like me, you've changed it from reply to message to details about the person or the channel, like this. Now when I swipe right to left, it shows me reply to message option. If you are in this dilemma with me, let's solve it together. First, you tap on your profile icon, tap on it again, and then scroll all the way down and you see chat. Tap on chat, scroll down again until you see this option. You can see this is where I changed it before, so just take it back to the default setting, which is to reply to message. So when you go back now and you tap on that person's message and we swipe right to left, let's see if it will give us a chance to reply to message again. And it has. It's as simple as that.